The CSV module contains utility functions for reading and writing CSV files. The module is part of the standard library, so it should be available with your installation. You import it by writing import CSV, and this is a keyword that we will see in more detail in our lecture on modules, but basically it makes all the functions in this file available to you. And then what you do is you open your file the usual way and you pass the handle to csv.reader. This returns an iterator, I've called it marksheet here, that you can loop over, and this iterator returns the lines of the file already chopped up and split in correspondence with the commas. It's easy to see that if, for instance, I put print line here and we run this, and you see that each line is actually not a line of the file, but it's a list containing the three components of the line already nicely split for you. Now, if you compare with the example above, this is what we would obtain here if we printed the entries variable. So in the end, we've been saving ourselves one line of code, and that's exactly that one, at the expense of some more complication over here. Oh, this next mark sheet just skips the first line. So, is it worth the trouble using the CSV module? Well, for this simple case, probably not, because you're just as well off doing it yourself, like that. But there may be more complicated CSV file specifications. So, for instance, what happens if you want to include actual commas in a CSV file? Then you have to escape them in some way. And there are various conventions for doing that, and the CSV library can handle a variety of dialects. By dialects here I mean particular specifications for CSV files. In any case, always remember that the simple cases can be handled quite easily with the split instruction. There is also a write CSV function that's provided, a writer object that's provided in the CSV library, and that is useful for writing CSV files. Again, the same considerations apply.